Ready to peer into the future of video creation and snag yourself the groundbreaking Google Veo 3? Let's dive into exactly how you can get your hands on this revolutionary camera. First things first, your primary destination is the official Google Store online. Keep a close eye on the Google Store website for the Veo 3 product page. That's where Google will officially announce its release. Provide all the juicy specs and, most importantly, list the available purchase options. When it launches, you'll likely see a few purchasing avenues: direct purchase, potential financing options, and possibly even pre-order opportunities if you're eager to be among the first to own one. Now, let's talk subscriptions. Given Google's history with other services, it's highly probable that Veo 3 will integrate with a cloud-based service for storage, processing, and potentially AI-powered features. Be prepared to evaluate different subscription tiers to find the best fit for your needs. These may offer varying levels of storage, processing power, and access to advanced features. Availability: new tech like this often rolls out in stages. Don't be alarmed if you initially see limited availability or a waitlist. Be patient. Sign up for notifications on the Google Store product page and check back regularly. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to acquiring the Google Veo 3 and unlocking a whole new world of video possibilities. Good luck and happy filming.